Hi everyone, let's see how we can install the Xbox Game Bar in Windows 10 or 11. To get started, simply search for Xbox and open it. Now in the top left right corner, you will see a bell notification. Simply click on it and you will get the option to install it. However, if you don't see this option, then click on your profile icon. Then go to settings. From here, click on app and you will get the option to install it. Simply click on install and it's done. Alternatively, you can head over to this web page. I'll give the link in the video description and click on install from here and click on open in Microsoft Store. Now click on install from here and you can open it directly from here. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.